Hi there, students. Slick, an adjective. A slick, also a noun, countable. To slick back, a verb. Slickly, the adjective. And I guess slickness as well, the quality. So let's see. Slick, as an adjective, having a smooth surface. Okay, so after the rain, be careful because the floor was very slick. Yeah, it was very slippery. It was very smooth. Yeah. If something is glossy and shiny, yeah, it looks slick. So you could slick back your hair with Brill cream or something like that. You could say that advertising was slick. Superficially, it has appeal. Superficially, it's believable. But maybe when you actually look at it in depth, the slickness is only the surface impression. If you do something slickly, it can be positive as well. Very clever, very skillful. With a slick movement, he kicked the ball into the goal. You did that very slickly. That's a very slick solution to this. So subtle, clever, nimble. Yeah, good quality, well done. But you can also use slick with this idea of looks good on the surface, but in fact, it's not sincere or honest. So a slick salesman tried to talk me into doing this. So the words he used were very good. His patter, the words you use to do something, was very slick, but it wasn't very sincere. Yeah, so notice slick can be both positive and negative. Yeah, he's very slick at getting things done. He's very effective. He does it very well. It's like he's smooth or wet or slippery, so he slides easily into it. But then also, if something's slick and slippery, you can slip up and fall down. Okay, the chair was slick with his blood. Yeah, the road surface was very slick, and there were a lot of car accidents. That new car of yours looks very slick, smooth and shiny. Yeah, okay. You look very slick in your new suit. Yeah, and then this idea to slick back your hair. Now, an oil slick. Okay, when they spill oil in the water, in the sea, you will see this shiny pool covering the surface that all stays together. That's an oil slick. Okay, so a slick. Yeah. Whenever he cooks, it seems like there is an oil slick on my plate. He uses far too much oil. Okay, so slick, an oil slick. I believe the Americans also use a slick as a noun for one of these glossy fashion magazines. Okay, so slick. Your hair is slick. It's smoothed back and brushed close to the head, probably using Brill cream or something like that. He's a very slick operator. Yeah, so skillful and effective, but maybe he lacks sincerity, maybe not. It doesn't tell us which. Yeah, he hit the ball very slickly with great ease, But a slick politician has an answer for absolutely everything and anything. Yeah, so he's too slick for his own good. So let's go through these again. To do something impressively, efficiently, smoothly, with a very polished performance. Yeah, but maybe slick. Maybe there's insincerity behind this and this is only a surface effect. You need to listen for the context for that. Yeah, his slick black hair, shiny, glossy. Yeah, a slick looking new car. There was an oil slick on the on the surface of the water. I guess if a lady puts gloss on her lips, it looks very slick as well, smooth and shiny. So slick, formality. An oil slick, 5 in formality, use anywhere. To slick back your hair. 3.54, informal, semi-formal conversation, stop. The surface of the road is slick, slippery, 5 in formality, use anywhere. He's a very slick operator, both efficient and good at it, and this idea of only superficial. Both of those 3.5 in formality. Use in an informal conversation, semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, just about, but don't go any further. Okay, so let's look at some origin for this. Okay, there's an Old English word slick, which sounds like the word sleek, and that's what slick meant, and I think they both come from the same idea. Slick as in Proto-Germanic, sleek or smooth. Slay or slag in Proto-Indo-European, to glide smoothly, to spread. So I hope I have just made a slick presentation of this video. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Slick, slickly, slickness.